Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a complaint about a certain YouTuber named Chad Warden, I believe his name is. The guy who keeps on going ballin' in his videos. And he made a video about the PS3, why PS3 is better than the Wii and Xbox 360. Now, I don't have anything against the PS3. I mean, hey, PS3 is a great console, but so is the Xbox 360 and so is the Wii. One thing that I do not like is you, Chad Warden. I mean, he uses so much uses so much profanity in his videos, and I mean, he's kind of mean, like how he said, "Oh, girls are." Is like, "Oh yeah, Final Fantasy sucks ass now. You know, you play as a little girl, and you know that girls can't do anything but suck dick." I mean, that's just sexist. I mean, that's just mean. I mean, some people may have thought it was funny, but I think that's just kind of mean. And then you say we got Tears of War and we got Halo 3. I mean, didn't those games win Game of the Year? I'm not sure, but I heard that they were really good. And the time when he was making that video, there wasn't any good games for PS3, I don't think. I think maybe you got like, I don't know, you got Warhawk, and that's about it. I mean, now you got games like Uncharted 2, Metal Gear Solid, Ratchet and Clank. I mean, if he made that video now, would have made a bit more sense, but his facts are just plain wrong. I mean, you say that Legend of Zelda is going, like, you know, with this guy with the little bitch, and he's going with his sword and stuff. I mean, well, I mean, he's making fun of Legend of Zelda, and I don't think girls would like you if you just had a PS3. Oh, I got a PS3. Like I don't think girls really care if you have a PS3 or not, or a video game console or not. I mean, I don't think that's a factor of getting a girlfriend or not. And I do know girls who do play with the Wii 360 and the PS3. So, yeah. And then the hair thing, I mean, your hair is normal. I mean, and I don't know. I just thought that was really weird. It's like, yo, man, look at my hair. Like, you like that? You like that? Yeah, that's because of the PS Triple. It's the PS3. Okay? I mean, sure, you can use your. Oh, God, camera. Stay still. Whoa! Okay. Okay. But seriously, if you're gonna make a video explaining why PS3 is better than Wii and Xbox 360, at least have some good facts and not just say, yo, PS3 is the best because Chad Warden says so. Chad Warden, you know, the PS Triple is mine. It makes it the best. I mean, I know he didn't actually say that, but come on. And then, you know, he was making himself a bit self-centered in that video. It's like, oh damn, people will say like, you know, PS3 costs $600. Man, I wipe my ass with that shit. Like, $600 I wipe with my ass. I mean, I don't think anybody would be able to throw $600 out the window unless you're like Oprah or Bill Gates, for that matter. And, you know, there's a lot of things to complain about. I mean, in some of your other ones, I mean, you say that Mario is Mexican. Does he look Mexican? A bit. But don't you think that accent would be Italian? I mean, at least know something about that. And then you say that almost a lot of PS3 games have 50 Cent and Baldwin in them. No. No. I'm just saying, if you're gonna say something on YouTube, at least have some things just to back it up. I mean, he didn't say one PS3 game, not one. You know, and like he doesn't even say a good reason why those games are really good. It's like, you know, Mario Party? Oh, screw Mario Party. You know what? That's a pussy ass party. Why? You know, there's no reason. No, you know why? There is one reason. 'Cause he's Chad Warden. My slick black hair and my PS Triple and my caddy. My caddy. I don't think you have a caddy. Like, you're, I don't know, 16. I mean, I'm 14. I don't have a caddy. I don't think any teenager has a caddy. A caddy. You know. And no girls would laugh at you if you have a Wii or a PS3 or Xbox 360. Just shut up, Chad Warden. Shut up.